or two soaker, but Anthony Domble sounds like it's not going to come anytime soon.
I don't have any of that in the forecast, Derek, unfortunately. We do have a couple sprinkles and a light shower just to tease us out there. I think that's why it's there tonight. Just a little tease. And we have had a little bit of dampness, I've noticed, on the cars outside Fox 17 over the past hour or so. But as we saw in that package, this is where the severe drought is, stretching from the heart of the viewing area, including Grand Rapids and Holland, across the lake, and including Milwaukee and the northern burbs of Chicago. The surrounding lighter tanned color brown is a moderate drought. As I mentioned on the earlier shows, this is nothing compared to what the weather map looks like out in the Pacific Northwest and southward into California, the desert Southwest. They've got a extreme drought going in that vicinity, but it's bad enough around here. The deficit is 6.73 inches in Grand Rapids, about 6.47 inches in Muskegon. You heard the man in the package talking about the lack of snowfall contributing to this. If you recall, back last fall, everybody was talking about, oh, La Nina this and La Nina that, and how we're going to get all this snow. Folks, those early season predictions, I'll tell you what, they're just simply not very good. We'll see where we go, though, from here into the summer, and whether or not we can tack on any rainfall. Don't see it in the short term, though. Grand Rapids Tower Cam right now, it's pretty quiet outside. The winds light. A couple breezes along the lakeshore recently to 10 to 15, even 20 miles per hour near Holland, but that seems to be pretty localized. Holland northward to Muskegon. Over the past hour. Lower 80s is where we got to today for the majority of locales. I think we get into the mid 80s tomorrow, and it's really balmy out there. I mean, about as warm as it's been this late in the evening in quite some time. 76 in Holland, 71 South Haven, and a mid 70s in Benton Harbor. How about Chicago at 80 degrees? I showed you before the commercial break, Chicago going to 92. It looks like for tomorrow. This is the scope around the Midwest at the current time. Now across the country, a real warm, hot burst of air over the northern plains. When I was doing the 6 o'clock show earlier, Bismarck was at 97. Bismarck, North Dakota. Keep that in mind. North Dakota at this time of the evening. 91. Yeah, it's pretty warm. And then 105 Vegas. 104 in Phoenix. That's the source region for all the heat that is going to be continuing to gather and then spreading in our direction heading into the weekend. A south or southwest breeze around 5 to 10 and a little breezier, as I said, Holland northward to Muskegon at times, gusting to about 20 miles per hour. Friday planner, folks, we've got these clouds out there right now. A few sprinkles, a light shower. Not going to amount to a whole lot. At most, a couple hundredths of an inch of rain by 7 a.m. We do have clouds around to begin, and not an overcast, but likely classifying it as a general partly sunny sky in the morning, and then that partly sunny sky just emerges into mostly sunny conditions as southwest winds pick up at 10 to 15, even 20, and gusting I think at times to 25 or 30. So it is going to be a brisk Friday around here as we go to 86 degrees. So even warmer tomorrow, 90-degree reading still anticipated on Sunday. Now, let me clarify that, not 90 plus necessarily, but I do think we will get to 90 on Sunday, and then humidity Monday, especially Tuesday and Wednesday, will lead to a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, I think especially Wednesday and Thursday, and that's when temperatures start to come down just a bit, but still looking pretty warm at that time in the middle 80s. Got these light showers, light sprinkles. It's really not a whole lot. Looks more ominous on the radar than is actually manifesting at the surface. Little dip in the jet stream, typically associated with slightly cooler air, but we still got to 82 today. That jet stream starts to ease a little bit off to the east tomorrow, so the warmer and hotter air gets closer. That's why we get to 86, and then it completely moves atop us Sunday and beyond, and we're at 90 plus, I think, thereafter. A little disturbance if you look closely, right along Midland, Texas. Little circulation that will slowly meander its way northeastward, Ryan and Derek, such that by, say, late Tuesday into Wednesday, we got a shot for a shower, thunder shower, but it's not going to be a whole lot. Coverage will be minimal. It'll be like a 20-30% aerial coverage situation. Many hours will be dry. It's all about the warmth, eventually humidity early next week.
It's going to be hot. All right, Anthony. Critical week for President Biden.